Part 1: The Basics of Capitalism. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Panam Pathai. Have you ever wondered how the biggest companies in the world actually make money? And more importantly, how you can get a piece of that profit? Today, we are summarizing the legendary book Learn to Earn by Peter Lynch. Most people think the stock market is a giant casino. They think it's just for experts in suits. But Peter Lynch says that is completely wrong. In this video, we are going to learn how the economy works and why investing is the only way to truly build wealth in the long run. If you use a smartphone, wear branded shoes, or drink a specific soda, you are already participating in the economy. Now, it's time to stop just being a customer and start being an owner. Part 2: The Power of Ownership. The core lesson of this book is simple: ownership. In a capitalist world, there are two types of people. Those who work for companies, and those who own them. When you buy a stock, you are buying a small piece of a real business. Think about it. When that company sells a product, they make a profit. As a shareholder, you are entitled to a share of that profit. You don't have to show up to the office. You don't have to manage the employees. The CEO and thousands of workers are working hard to make you money. This is the ultimate form of passive income. Peter Lynch reminds us that over the last 100 years, the stock market has outperformed gold, bonds, and even savings accounts. The secret is simply owning great businesses. Part 3: Invest in what you know. 2:30 முதல் 3:45 வரை. So, how do you find these great businesses? You don't need a fancy finance degree. Peter Lynch's most famous advice is, invest in what you know. Look around you. What products do people love? Which stores are always crowded? If a company makes a great product that everyone is buying, their stock price will eventually go up. Stop looking for hot tips from strangers. Instead, look at your own life. If you love a certain brand of coffee or use a specific software every day at work, start researching that company. If the business is healthy and growing, the stock is likely a good investment. Investing is not about predicting the future, it's about observing the present. Part 4: The Secret of Time. The Action Plan. 3:45 முதல் 5 வரை. Finally, Peter Lynch talks about the most important factor in investing: time. Many people try to get rich quickly by trading stocks every day. But the real wealth is made by holding great companies for years, or even decades. The longer you stay in the market, the more you benefit from compounding. Here is your action plan from Panam Pathai. First, stop being afraid of the stock market. Second, start small. You don't need lakhs of rupees to begin. Third, keep learning. Your knowledge is your best protection against risk. Remember, the economy is always growing, and by owning stocks, you are growing with it. If you found this summary helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Let's walk the path to wealth together. See you in the next video.